Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be my makeup collection and storage, and I'll quick show you this room too. I did one of these videos before. I'll try to remember to link that. It's basically the same storage, but it's just arranged differently. I didn't buy any new pieces when I moved, but those IKEA drawers were in my closet. So I'll back you up and show you just the room a little bit. So this is the view from the door. Basically, closet over here, some furniture. I do not like that pile of cords where my computer's charging. I need to work on that. Jewelry storage back there, and then here is my makeup. I will just quick show you my closet. It is pretty small, so if anybody needs any small closet inspiration, here you go. I have shoes stacked up there, sweaters in those little squares from Target. Those are actually really useful. Hanging clothes there, and then one of these little, I don't know what to call that shelf thing, and some shoes and purses at the bottom. So yeah, if you need small closet inspiration, here you go. I did get rid of a lot of stuff though. I used to have way more. So over here is usually what you see. My background is just some small pieces of furniture, some more shoes. I do like this little setup though. And that is a jewelry holder there, but I don't really use it for that. And then up here, those, I do keep necklaces there, some decoration. There is my perfume collection, and there's some jewelry in there. And then over here is most of my jewelry collection in that chest. I really like that piece. Okay, so on to the makeup. So in here, I do keep a lot of palettes. Soft Glam, the Jaclyn Hill, some Too Faced. I've got some Q-tips there. And then this is my actual vanity. This is where I sit. So here I keep palettes that I'm currently using, my Pan That palette. I kind of switched this out pretty much except for the Pan That palette. More Q-tips there. And then this is everyday stuff. Eyelash curler, under eye powder, primers, concealer, mascara, eyeliner, foundation. My ambient lighting palette always sits here because I use that every day. My face powder. Yeah. And then here I keep my makeup brushes and setting sprays, another foundation, dirty Real Techniques sponge, and sunscreen, tissues, that face oil I put on if my face is feeling dry. I use that kind of as a primer. And then more makeup here. So back there are more palettes. And here it's kind of organized by brand. So I've got ColourPop, the smaller Too Faced ones, Lorac, and then those are kind of depotted ones and single eyeshadows. And then these are face palettes. So blush and highlighter palettes. Anastasia, ColourPop, there. And in this container up here is lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. And this one is more lipsticks, 2 lip liners, more lipsticks, and more. As you can see, I have a lot of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams because I bought the whole vault of them. So yeah, they're mini size though. And that's my lipstick holder where I keep regular tube lipsticks. I love this ColourPop Luxe formula, Urban Decay, MAC, Bite Beauty Minis. So yeah, this just kind of sits here. It's mostly lip products and more palettes. And then those are extra brushes, and I'm not even using that acrylic case right now. So in my IKEA units, I actually only have makeup in those first 2 drawers because I'm using the rest of it for other things. Basically, I just really like having my makeup out. I've noticed if I put everything in a drawer, I tend to just forget about things. So honestly, it looks a little bit messy for my liking, but I just tend to use it more when it's all out in the open. I don't know, that's just what works. So this drawer here basically is just kind of some foundation samples, some more primers. This is all my bronzers here. And then usually the one I'm using at the time, I will put over on the vanity. ColourPop powder, Tarte blush palette, and then the Lancome Absolute powder. Then this drawer is basically mostly Chic products, mostly blush and highlighters. But there is a quad here from MAC, and yeah, but other than that, it is mostly blush and highlighters. Pretty much all the ones that are not in palettes, the rest are all in palettes and sitting on top of this. So yeah, pretty much this is how I store my makeup. I like to have it all out in the open so I can see everything, get good use out of everything. The makeup mirror is from Target, I think. That vanity, so those two drawers, I don't keep anything in those because they are very difficult to open. I bought that on clearance at Home Goods, and I didn't realize why it was on clearance until I bought it. Basically, I think it's because those drawers are terrible, so I can't even use those. They're so hard to open. But that's okay, I like to have things out anyway. The acrylic containers are from the Container Store, and so's the lipstick holder. So yeah, this is how I have everything organized. And if you want to see each individual product, I do have a makeup inventory where I actually show everything. I'll try to remember to link that too. So yeah, that is my makeup collection and storage, and thanks for watching.